Welcome to Tech Info. As you have seen in the thumbnail, we are going to make our desktop cool and professional in only 5 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, let's clean our desktop. Right-click, go to View, and untick Show Desktop Icons. Now to hide the taskbar, position your cursor on the taskbar and right-click, click Properties. Tick the Auto Hide the Taskbar option, apply the changes. Looks cool. Download the Rainmeter app by simply clicking the first link in the description. On the website, scroll down and click the Download button. Wait 1 or 2 minutes till it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open the application. Make sure that Standard Installation is selected and click Next. Choose your desired install location. Tick the Open on Startup box. Click Install and wait for a couple of minutes for it to be installed. Go to the second link in the description box and make an account on the website. And click on the download icon to download your free template. Once downloaded, open the .rm.skin file. The Rainmeter app will pop up. Click on Install, you will have your icons and widgets shown up. Let's make this a little more interesting and functional. Go to the third link in the description and download the background image. Go to the downloaded location. Right-click and choose Set as Desktop Background. Now simply drag the icons to reposition them according to your likes. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you learned something new from this. Leave a comment if you are facing any problems and I will be happy to help you. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Info for more videos like these. See you in the next one.